All right, so for the do now, we're solving a basic two-step equation. When we are solving an equation, our goal is to get those variables on one side, get the constants on the other, the numbers, right? So I'm gonna move, my go-to method is always moving the variable to the front. That's just me. It doesn't matter where you move it. I'm gonna show all my work. I'm gonna subtract. I'm literally gonna show all my work here. 3x drop down minus 3 equals negative 27. I am going to move the negative 3 with that negative 27 by adding 3 to both sides. Cancels out. We get 3x is equal to negative 24. Last step, I am going to divide both sides by 3. X is equal to negative 8. That was super, super easy. That's like a quick one. Honestly, it took me a longer than it should. The second one, another one that's pretty basic. So we have 4 times 7 minus 5 at y. We're going to start off by distributing. 28 plus 20y, we got minus 3y is equal to 6 minus 2y. I'm going to combine like terms on one of the sides just because I see y's here. So we get 28. If I combine these y's, I get positive 17y is equal to 6 minus 2y. And I end up with an equation similar to the previous one. Here, I'm going to double move it. I'm going to move my y's together. And I'm going to move my constants together. That cancels, we get 19y is equal to 6 minus 28, which is negative 22. Oh God. We got divide both sides by 19. Here is my solution, negative 22 over 19.